refreshing feeling to be here. Honestly, you know, it's just, otherwise you go to clubs, which is like a very closed environment, or you go watch a movie or something. This is something refreshing. It's outdoors. You watching people play cricket, you cheering for them, and slowly you can get involved in the game yourself. So I think it's a very refreshing and a very healthy experience and very de-stressing.
Yeah,
and I think Sundays should be spent like this. So here's to DPL every Sunday.
You can of course come here. We are here. DPL is going to be till 1st May every weekends from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. So I invite you every weekend that you can come here, and of course you can play also someday. We'll surely give you some training.
No, I don't think I'll do that to you. I won't play. I'll just cheer. I'll do what I'm best at. I'll cheer for the team.
Sure.
Right?
You can come and sing some good songs here and cheer up the crowd.
Yeah.
Of course, it was challenging, but my aim was कि अब देखेगा India gully cricket. अब देखेगा India gully cricket. That was my challenge, and I had a little bit hurdles, but by the grace of God, this has come up. And my real motto was that to get these players a real, to come on live television, it's a big thing. These players are from all small places of Mumbai. They really, this is their bread and butter. So they enjoy playing here. They are really happy. I've been receiving calls from their parents and their families that they're so happy and proud to see their children playing live on television.
I like the name very much, Dreams, because I think we all dream every day and we all want our dreams to come true. And I think it's a fabulous name. It's a very positive name.
The name, let me tell you about the name. The name came to me by, basically it came to me because dreams is something that never lets you sleep.
Yeah.
So a person always dreams. एक सपने किसी को सोने नहीं देते. So this was my dream, that it's a dream of every person, every individual, every small kind of player, that to come on national television and play, and like the whole world is watching them. So it's a big dream, big achievement for all the small players here. So that is why the name was kept Dreams Premier League.
I think आजकल जो हम सोशल मीडिया से इतना घिर गए हैं और अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी, अपने गैजेट्स और फोन से इतना घिर गए हैं, I think we need a break from that, and I think sports की जो अहमियत है, the importance of sports is too much. We really need to take up one sport at least. I think each one of us has to take up a sport because it makes your life wholesome and healthy. Just being constricted at home in front of your comp or on your phone or something like that is just very unhealthy. So sports is extremely healthy. So every one of you just pick up that one sport, and I think cricket is the best.
Well, she's a beautiful singer, but although she needs a lot of training in cricket.
Yeah, obviously I do, yaar. But I'm starting somewhere, na? So my trainer is here right now.
वसीम साहब ने जो ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है, बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है, और ये तो हम अपने आप को इस मामले में खुशकिस्मत समझते हैं कि आज हमको मौका मिल गया यहाँ आने का, और यहाँ जो देखा हमने, तो जो व्यवस्था इन्होंने की है और आने वाले समय में जो इनकी प्लानिंग है, जो योजना है, मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि मेरी शुभकामनाएँ इनके साथ है, वसीम साहब के साथ है, और इस पूरे जिन लोगों ने भी इसमें सहयोग किया उनके साथ है। और फिर एक बार मैं कहूँगा कि इस गली क्रिकेट का और इस IPL का काफ़ी उज्जवल भविष्य मुझे दिखाई पड़ता है।
बहुत अच्छा लगता है, माहौल क्या है क्या, तो वासिफ ने उनको समझाया, तो बड़ी खुशी की बात यह कि 2 मिनट में वो समझे। जब यहाँ के बैठे तो मुझे नहीं लगा इतनी बात का जवाब दे सकेंगे। लेकिन आदमी की दूरअंदेशी होती है, एक सोच होती है। 2-3 मिनट भी नहीं मेरे साथ बैठे, पूछ ही रहे थे कि मैं क्या भी इंटरव्यू में क्या बोलना है। तो जिस तरह से उन्होंने जवाब दिया, मैं कहता हूँ कि उनकी दूरअंदेशी की मैं दाद देता हूँ। और लोगों का, सब लोगों का कॉपरेशन रहा तो इसमें कुछ अमेंडमेंट करके गली क्रिकेट को और बढ़ाया जा सकता है। मेरा ये ख्याल है ऐसा होगा, कभी फ्यूचर में कुछ सजेशन दूंगा कि ये जो 6-6 मैचेस होते हैं उसमें मैचेस कम करके बहुत चुनिंदा टीमों को लाया जाए, और कि भाई जैसा 10 ओवर या 12 ओवर करके उसका, और उसको जो लोगों को देखेंगे भाई इतने लिमिटेड मैचेस होते हैं, ये भी पॉसिबल है। लेकिन ये गली क्रिकेट आगे चलेगा ऐसी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद है।